For the trials that come my way, in that way I can grow each day, as I need you live. Yeah, thank you, Lord, for the patience those trials bring. In that process of growing, I can learn to care. But it goes against the way I am, given my human